Every dream begins with a vision. Every success begins with preparation. Welcome to Megareview and Tutorial Center, the review center of choice for the best and brightest future civil engineers. At Megareview, we believe that excellence is not accidental. It is built through discipline, guidance, and unwavering commitment. Here, we don't just prepare students for the board exam, we prepare them for success. In the November 2025 Civil Engineering Board Examination, Megareview proudly achieved an outstanding 72.75% passing rate, with 347 out of 477 examinees successfully passing. This remarkable achievement far surpassed the national passing rate of 33.26%, a true testament to the hard work of our aspiring engineers and the dedication of our mentors. We didn't just pass, we dominated. Leading this historic performance are our phenomenal top-notchers, proof that Megareview Advantage truly works. Top 10, Engineer Dakila Navarro Maraguinot, Megareview Cebu Face-to-Face Exclusive Reviewee from Misamis University, Ozami City, 89.85% average rating. Top 8, Engineer Brian Bacanaya de la Torre, Megareview Face-to-Face Exclusive Reviewee from University of Southeastern Philippines, DAP, with an average rating of 90.10%. Top 4, Engineer Casler Del Opinaldo Abance, Megareview Face-to-Face Baguio Reviewee from St. Louis University, 90.75% average rating. And leading the entire nation, Top 1, Engineer Jonathan Conrad Goyu, Megareview Exclusive Reviewee from the University of San Carlos, 91.75% average rating. A dream realized through hard work, perseverance, and faith. These are the faces of Megareview success. Their victories reflect our system, our mentors, and their dedication. To God be the glory for these incredible results. Building on this legacy, Megareview achieved another milestone in the April 2025 Civil Engineering Board Examination, producing 8 national top-notchers nationwide. One of these outstanding achievers proudly represents Cebu Institute of Technology University, reinforcing a strong and proven partnership. Top 6, Engineer Pomelo Piolo Silawan, a Megareview Face-to-Face exclusive with 91.85% average rating. From top 10 to top 2, Megareview reviewees from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao once again proved that excellence knows no boundaries. In the April 2024 Civil Engineering Board Examination, Megareview proudly produced 9 national top-notchers, including 2 outstanding achievers from Cebu Institute of Technology University. Top 10, Engineer Lennon Gabriel N. Francisco, and Top 8, Engineer Michael Lyndon M. Chua. The November to December 2024 CE Board Examination further strengthened this legacy, with 5 national top-notchers added to our growing list of success stories. The outstanding performance of Cebu Institute of Technology University Megareviewee, with a passing rate significantly higher than the national average, demonstrates academic excellence. The strong partnership between CITU and Megareview serves as clear proof of quality assurance, success-driven strategies, and a dedicated joint effort toward achieving high success rates. Together, CITU and Megareview stand for quality, commitment, and results. Megareview and Tutorial Center, your dream our commitment.